Blue Belt program helped to develop and enhance marine protection in the overseas territories really helps us in a number of ways. Some operational, such as providing us with intelligence and live operational support in sort of multi-agency operations to enforce the protection of a marine protected area by intercepting, detaining and prosecuting illegal fishing vessels that have entered the area illegally, and also in perhaps other more scientific ways in enabling us to understand, for example, the water quality in the territory so we can assess the general health of the sea around the islands.